Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. If you have searched for online ways to access OnlyFans without entering your card details, you are not alone. There are tons of videos, blogs and even bots promising free access, but in this video, we are going to break down the truth about whether that's even possible in 2025. So, make sure to stick around till the end so you don't fall for any scams. So let's face it, some people want to check out content on OnlyFans but don't feel comfortable using their personal payment information. It's understandable. Privacy and security are important. That's why so many people are looking for hacks or workarounds. But here's the real answer. As of 2025, OnlyFans require all users, even those trying to view free content, to have verified account with valid card details. This is not just about payments. It's also a part of the platform's identity verification system to make sure users are of legal age and to help prevent fraud and abuse. So even if you are just subscribing to a free account, the card is still needed for verification purposes. The rule protects both creators and subscribers. It ensures OnlyFans remains a secure space and it reduces the chances of bots, fake users or harmful behavior. Think of it like a digital ID. It confirms that you are a real person. Now, here's the warning. Any website, Telegram bot or YouTube video or app that promises access to OnlyFans content without card details is most likely a scam. They could be trying to steal your data, install malware or even trick you into giving away your real info later. So, please don't fall for it. And to wrap up, no, you cannot access OnlyFans without card details in 2025. That's just how the platform works and there's no legitimate shortcut around it. If you're really interested in content, the safest and only legal way is to create an account and verify it properly. If this video helped clear things up, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you've come across any of those fake services. We'd love to help others stay safe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.